This video is a step-by-step guide on how to connect your Shopify with your Instagram, and this video is pretty interesting. It's a step-by-step guide. You have to go to Shopify admin dashboard. Here you can see sales channel section, under where you can find your online store option. Here's a plus icon, click it, you'll menu and see the sales channel. Click on the green plus icon to the next Facebook option. This will bring you to a screen dealing with permission required to adding the sales channel. Click on update sales channel. Facebook will show you under your sales channel in your dashboard. Now in your Facebook sales channel, you'll see some option of getting started. You'll go to the sell your product on Instagram section and click on start setup on process here. Now you'll see some recommendation for smooth review process, such as using established Facebook account, having admin permission for the account, having already switched to the Instagram personal account. You'll then review the terms and condition. It will take 1 to 2 days as a review your product. In your Instagram app, go to your business profile option, click on the settings. In the business, go to the shopping, confirm your Facebook account and choose your product catalog and click done. Your product visibility will automatically change to include your new sales channel. To make new changes to the visibility of any individual product, just go into the products edit page, update those settings. Okay, so this is some successful selling tips for Instagram. You can always use the stunning photos. Stunning photos can attract more customers and more engagement. Try hard to use videos. Videos can drive engagement more than a photo. You can use Instagram stories for better engagement and higher audience retention. This video was a step-by-step guide on how to connect Instagram with Shopify.